Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and this video is about slime. This slime is very clicky. Just listen, get it closer. I'm just a normal student, but I love slime. Watching others like Cupcake Surprise Toys and Sis vs Bro. Both of them are my favorite YouTubers. If any fans of them are watching, please like and subscribe to my channel. And now I'll show you how to make slime. First of all, things which you need is Fevicol. Of course you can get this. Even though if you don't have Fevicol, you can easily find it in your house. A container will put the things, spoon, and of course liquid detergent. I'm putting in the side of later if it falls. So first of all, this container, you take the Fevicol, you put, okay, I'll just open the tip. Done. I have to use it for my creative class also. Means not so much. I've added almost, only little is left. We just mix it a bit, make it thicker. Just look, I'm mixing it. This is what it looks like inside. That was the Fevicol was not many. I'll just add. Oh yeah, even my sister, she has bought it for my sister. Enough. Is there any more? No. Okay. Let's mix. This is my second slime. My first slime, the one which I showed. Instead of food coloring, you can even add watercolor. This time I'm not gonna add anything. Last time when I tried to make a slime, it was just flop. Okay, now it's kind of sticky. Just look, it's kind of sticky now. Okay, add the liquid detergent. Maybe I added too much. Whoa. Just add, maybe I added, yeah, I really added too much. Or maybe we should add a dark orange color. Turn it. Can't even finish all the glue. If it's there, please come out. So small, tiny drops are coming out because there are no more. After this, I'll just go study. Oh, it's really turning. Mix and mix and mix. turning now. Just wait a minute, guys. I can't even put this liquid detergent before. It used to come out like something. You can even use like Tide and all, right? Just wait a minute, guys. I'll just keep mixing. My mother is calling me, so I'll just go with the slime mixing. I'll just open the door.
Now? 그래 나. 트레이스미 샴푸 시즌이라네.
Oh my! Just drop the water. I came. Let's wait for some time. My sister's mixing it. Have you finished? Yes, I'm not done. Just repeat that with my voice. Now, don't know what to do about this anymore. My sister, she's not sure about it. Jay, are you done? Yep. So, there you go. Just look at the slime which we made right now. Just hear to the sound, okay? Just hear nicely. That's just what I kept to wipe my hands now.